The Ultrasonic Humidifier AeroSwiss U7147 provides humidification of the air in the room and is especially distinguished by the following features: powerful and visible humidification, digital display with touch panel, digital hygrostat, optionally cool or warm humidification thanks to the preheating, auto, sleep, and timer mode. The water is transformed into a microfine mist by means of high-frequency vibration and released into the air of the room. This kind of humidification is extremely quiet and very efficient. Due to the preheating, the mist discharges with warm temperature, creating a very comfortable climate in the room, especially during winter. Maintaining the optimal water quality is ensured by the newly developed ionic silver stick. Place the unit in an elevated position, for example on a table or a dresser. The operation is extremely easy. The unit is capable of maintaining the relative humidity at the desired level, between 30 and 80% relative humidity. The U7147 turns off automatically when the desired relative humidity is reached. The display indicates desired and current. If the relative humidity falls below the desired level, the unit will automatically resume operation. The desired operating time can be set using the timer button, in hour intervals or via the icon CO for continuous operation. The humidity output button determines the mist discharge. It can be operated in 3 settings. Due to the preheating, the mist discharges with comfortably warm temperature. The room temperature does subsequently not decrease, and the water quality maintenance improves significantly. With the auto sleep button, automatic programs are initiated. The auto function maintains the optimal humidity depending on the room temperature. The sleep function maintains an optimal sleep climate for 6 hours. By pressing the button again, the U7147 goes back into normal mode. The mist nozzle can be turned to any desired direction. The water icon indicates that the U7147 must be refilled. Depending on the water hardness, the demineralization cartridge must be replaced every 2 to 3 months. For that, the cartridge can be either comfortably replaced by a new one or eco-friendly be refilled. The refill package includes everything for 3 refillings. Place the supplied styrofoam piece in the middle opening of the demineralization cartridge. Pour the contents of 1 refill bag into the cup, which is included in the package. Fill the granules this way cleanly into the cartridge. Now remove the cup and the styrofoam piece and close the cover. In both versions, the cartridge must be soaked in clean water for 24 hours. The ionic silver stick must be replaced once every season. The cleaning icon is a reminder that the unit has to be cleaned. The cleaning is easy. Turn the unit off, disconnect the power plug, and remove the ionic silver stick. To clean the unit, we recommend to use exclusively Calc Off, which is especially composed for air humidifiers. Mix the decalcifying agent Calc Off with clean and hot water, 1 pack per 1 liter. Remove the nozzle and the demineralization cartridge from the water tank. The water tank can also very efficiently be cleaned with Calc Off. Fill the base also with the Calc Off mixture and let it take effect for at least 1 hour. The base and the ultrasonic membrane can be cleaned using the included cleaning brush. Rinse the calc off out carefully with a lot of water. For cleaning the surface, a microfiber cloth is most suitable. After reassembly, the U7147 can be refilled with water. Now the cleaning icon can be reset by keeping the on-off button pressed. The cleaning is completed, fast and easy. Aero Swiss U7147, improving your quality of life.